Our 2026 Westgate Rep Summit was more than just a meeting. It was 2 incredible days of learning, connection, and celebration with our dedicated partners from across the country. Day 1 began inside the showroom, where our reps received an exclusive first look at Westgate's exciting new 2026 product lineup. They were able to experience innovations up close, ask questions, and see firsthand how these solutions will empower them in the field. The day continued with an inspiring address from our Chief Operating Officer, Isaac Hadjon, who reaffirmed Westgate's mission and leadership as America's most dependable lighting company. His message set the tone for the future, one built on reliability, innovation, and partnership. The evening wrapped up with a lively dinner and some friendly competition at Glow in the Dark Golf, where relationships were strengthened and memories were made. On day 2, the focus shifted from inspiration to action. Our reps dove deeper into Westgate's tools, resources, and benefits designed to help them succeed. They reviewed new products with David, gaining valuable technical and application insights. Brandon shared strategic sales perspectives to help reps win more projects and better serve their customers. Ray then walked through updates to our WIP program and success path. The day concluded with a special moment of recognition as we honored our top-performing reps of 2025, celebrating their hard work, commitment, and outstanding achievements. Looking back, the 2026 Rep Summit was a powerful reminder of the strength of the Westgate network. As we move into the new year, we're aligned, energized, and ready to build something even greater together. Thank you to every rep who attended, contributed, and continues to be part of the Westgate family. Your partnership is what makes Westgate truly dependable. Westgate Manufacturing, America's most dependable lighting.